Ella, what are you doing?
I'm feeding Matthew.
Feeding Matthew? Does he seem to like it?
Yeah.
Do you like it? You do?
It's my turn, Mom.
You want to turn, Lainey? Yeah. Lainey, what are we doing?
Open up, Patty Duck.
Oh, that face looks like he loves it. You're not so sure about that, buddy, are you?
It's my turn.
Hey, Ella, can Lainey have a turn, please? Thank you. Lainey's turn.
Why do you open up, Daddy?
Yep, open up, buddy.
Open up, buddy. White, Mommy.
Be very gentle.
You white,
very gentle. Good job, Lainey.
Mommy, you white, Mom.
No, don't be stingy. Just a little bit. There you go. Ew.
Want some more, buddy?
Want some more, buddy?
Mommy, always will be my turn.
Last time for Lainey. Here we go. Let's try it, Matthew.
It's your turn, Ella. Wait, you send me a Puma?
Yep.
I'm going to get an outlet. Open